Today we're diving into the world of charts. Visualizing data is essential for making your insights clear and impactful. Excel offers a variety of chart types that can help you present your data effectively. First of all, let's start by discussing chart types. So in Excel, where you can find the charts are here on the Insert tab. There is a specific section here, a group 1, which have too many charts for you where you can choose from. First of all, there are bar charts. Bar charts are some type of columns charts that have these visions. They are great for comparing quantities across categories. You also have line charts. You can find it there. And you have 2D lines, 3D, etc. Line charts excel at showing trends over time. You also have pie charts that work well for illustrating parts of a whole, but be cautious, too many slices can confuse your audience. You also have scatter plots that are perfect for showing relationships between two variables. Knowing when to use each type can greatly enhance your data presentation. So before creating a chart, you need to prepare your data. So maybe you have some small data, like I have it here, my small table. First of all, if you don't have it in this, like this is looking, please arrange it. So you have arranged it in some columns where you will use it to take your data. And make sure to label your columns clearly so they have a title. So for my data here, I have some cheese data. I have the cheese type, so this is the title for the first column, and I have the number of people that likes it. Okay, how to create a basic chart. First of all, select your data range, go to the Insert tab, and here on the Charts section, click on one that you want to use. For my example, I want to create a pie chart. So click here, and I'll choose the first option. As you may see here, immediately it is created a chart. Make sure to give it a title. For example, number of people that likes cheese. This is the title. And here you have, with each color, you have the type of the cheese. As you may see, the mostly liked cheese is cheddar. How to customize chart. So you have created now, but maybe you don't want it to look it like this. There are some options here immediately after you create the chart. Here on the tabs that Excel has, in the end it is created a new one. That if you see on my mouse pointer, it is called Chart Tools. It has two parts, design and format. So, for example, if you want to change the design of your chart, make sure to go to this plus sign where you have the chart elements, or the other way is if you go here, add chart elements. What are the chart elements? For example, the chart title, the data labels, the legend, etc., depending on the chart that you are using. For example, you have the legend on this chart that are the type of cheeses that are on the bottom of the chart. If you wanted to change it, for example, on the left, on the top, right, or none, you can change it here. I'll choose it the right one because to me it looks bad. If you want to add another chart element, you can go here to the plus sign, but also here that I showed you. If you want a chart title or you don't, you can change it here. If you want it to center overlay or above chart, you can choose it here. So I have it better this way. Also, if you want data labels, are this one. If you want in the center, data labels are the numbers that you want to appear on this data bar. You can choose it where you want to put it. So I'll choose this one. This is for the elements. Also, Excel offers you a variety of chart styles that you have it here. So you can change it how they look. It's in your own choice. Or you can put the elements as we did together before. I'll go with this one that it is automatically. And on this other chart tools on the format, You can change, for example, the shape fill of your chart. Maybe you want it to make it another color, for example, a blue, etc. Now, we can explore other charts. If you have historical data or data like this that are a lot, you can use a line chart. Again, as we did on the pie chart, select your data, make sure that your columns have a heading, so it is day and pounds. Go to the Insert tab, and here choose one of these line options. I'll use the second one. As you see here, this is the chart that it is created automatically. It doesn't have a title, so I will put one. And you see you have your vertical axis and your horizontal one. So if you want to change the styles, go here on the design. You can choose it as before, an automatic one. What you like better. You can change the colors here, the colors of the lines. I'll go with this one. And you can add elements or not. So you see here there are more elements than for the pie chart. You can choose it to leave it the horizontal or vertical one. So if I click on it, the horizontal will be removed, etc. I'll leave both of them. You can also choose the axis to have titles. So I want them to have. The chart elements can also be added here. So I'll go to the plus signs and I check this one. And you see that you can put their titles. This is the pound, and these are the days. Okay, it's on your choice. Again, you can choose to show the data labels here. I will show them, but you can choose it where you want it, left, right, on the center, above or below. I'll leave this above. Okay. This is for the line chart. You know where to design, you know where to add the elements. So if you want to have the legend or remove it, just tick it or untick it here. The bar charts are useful more when you have more data and you want it to show in horizontal columns or rows. For example, I have these items here. There are some chocolate bars, and there are favorite in some countries. There are different numbers for each country. I want to create a bar chart. I go here on this column 1 and I choose this one or this one. It depends on you. So this is how easy it is created. Don't forget, if you want a chart title, you can do it here, or if you don't want it, on this plus sign you can remove by unchecking the chart title. And if you want to add other elements, you know now where to add it. Or if you want other layouts, here there are some automatical ones. So you see, and you can choose from one of them which one you want. So I prefer this one. I'll leave it. I can change the shape fill for all of it. Here are the changes you can make it, etc. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and comment below with any questions or topics you'd like to see next. Happy charting!